Hello leather crafters and leather workers. Today I'm going to have an unboxing. Kind of what gave me the idea was Don Gonzalez recently invited me to be on the Lost Trade podcast, and in there he mentioned that he enjoyed my unboxing videos, and it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, so here goes. And I appreciate Don inviting me to the podcast, and you may want to give that a listen when you get a chance. So today I'm going to unbox uh, a side of leather that I just got in from the Maverick Leather Company. I've cut on some of that leather before and I really liked it, so I ordered another side. Let's take a look and see what's in here. Maverick Leather Company. Waxed mill veg natural. This is a 19 to 21.9 square foot hide. It's 4 to 5 ounce. I got this for a couple different things actually. My grandson has a pair of chaps that he's grown about 4 inches, so we need to lengthen the I'm gonna put a border across the bottom to match his belt on the top, as well as that might make some little lightweight wallet. That'll work good for the ships. And to make some good little simple wallets and the pockets and all that. Continuing with my unboxing here, now I've got a weaver box that I'm going to open up, and I had a little trouble with my microphone, so I'm doing a voiceover here. I forgot to turn the mic on. So anyway, here's a toast shap split I use for saddle seating, and I'm unrolling that or unfolding it and checking it out. I believe I can get 3 saddle seats out of this piece of leather, and that's my favorite color for saddle seats. It wears real well. And anyway, I'm rolling that up. Next I will look in there. I've got 4 Woolskins that saddle shearlings that are 11 square foot. I have one saddle that has huge square skirts, and it's going to take 2 large hides to get that saddle relined, and then a couple 11 footers that will work for my regular roping skirts. So what I'm doing right now is pairing up my my shearlings. They're kind of checking them out. Then I've got a spool of kangaroo lace that I use for lacing my skirts together. Appreciate you watching this. Talk to you next time.